In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a brake bleed on your Chevy Sonic. First thing you're going to do is check your cap, make sure there's no dirt, and remove it. You're going to want to use some needle nose pliers or something like this and remove the filter. Just make sure you don't poke a hole in it. And now we're going to siphon out our old fluid using one of these. After you siphon that out, you're going to put your filter back in. Make sure it's sitting in there right. Now we're going to fill this up to the max. Make sure you use whatever the manufacturer recommends for brake fluid. Our cap says .3. Fill it up to the max. The max line is on the other side, so you're going to have to look around the corner. And now we're going to put our cap back on. Make sure it's clean. To bleed the brakes, the sequence is the right rear, then the left rear, and then we're going to pause and check our fluid and top it off at the master cylinder. And then we're going to go to the right front and then the left front. We're going to begin our brake bleed procedure. We're at the right rear wheel. I have somebody in the car that's going to help me by pumping up the brake and then holding it when I open up the bleeder. And we're going to bleed the brakes. I'm going to use this to catch my fluid. I recommend doing the same or have a drip pan below. And put that on. You pump it up. He's holding. I open the bleeder. It's to the floor. I'm going to close it down. As we're doing this, we're watching for air bubbles in the line. And we're waiting for it to be clean and air-free. Pump it up one more time, please. He's holding. And I don't see any bubbles. You to the floor? I'm going to tighten that down. I'm going to clean it off. You can release. Put our bleeder screw cap back on. And now we're going to move on to our left rear. So now that we're done our other wheel in the rear, we're going to top off our master cylinder. Make sure it's to the max line. And now here we are at the right front. Pump it up, please. He's holding. I'm going to remove my bleeder screw cap. It's to the floor. I'm going to pump it up. It's to the floor. I'm going to tighten that up. I'm not seeing any air. We're going to clean it off and put back our bleeder screw cap. And now we're going to move on to our left front. So here we are back at the master cylinder. We're going to remove our cap, top off our fluid. Make sure you use whatever the manufacturer recommends for brake fluid. Our cap says .3. Fill it up to the max line. And you can put your cap back on. Make sure you check your brake pedal. Make sure it's at the top and nice and hard and not squishy. If it's squishy or falls to the floor a little bit, you're going to want to do the entire brake bleed procedure all over again.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.